Subscribe to 24 Motor World channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. In my last video, I have done the review of Maruti Suzuki Espresso 2020 and I have told you reasons to buy. In this video, I will be explaining you about all the variants, their prices according to the showroom Delhi, and features in each variant and most value for money variant for you. If you haven't seen my last video, you can check in the I button, and I have also given the link in the description. Price of Maruti Suzuki Espresso starts from 3.7 lakh rupees onwards at showroom Delhi and goes to 5 lakh rupees. There are total 14 variants and these are divided into petrol manual, petrol automatic and CNG. Watch full video so that you can know which is the best variant for you and what all features you are getting for the price you are paying. For your better understanding, I have simplified these 14 variants into 6 variants so that you don't get confused between these variants. These 6 variants are STD, STD optional, LXI, LXI optional, VXI and VXI plus. Variants are same irrespective of petrol manual, petrol automatic or CNG. Features in all the variants will be similar. Suppose, for example, if you are buying VXI variant of petrol, in petrol you are having two options, petrol manual and petrol automatic. The similar variant if you are buying in CNG, so the difference will be of CNG fuel. I hope you got my point. With all the variants, Maruti has given one optional variant with standard variant. As you can see in the slide, in petrol you are having two options, manual and automatic. In petrol manual you are having standard variant which is 3.71 lakh rupees. Then with that there is standard optional, then LXI, then LXI optional, VXI, VXI optional and VXI plus. These 7 variants are in petrol manual. Now in petrol automatic you are getting 3 variants, VXI, VXI optional and VXI plus. This AMT means automated manual transmission. I will be making another detailed video about types of automatic transmissions which you are getting in the market. Then in CNG you are getting only manual gearbox option, that is LXI, LXI optional, VXI and VXI optional. Now I will be going into the details of the variants. First let's start with standard variant in petrol manual gearbox. Price of this variant is 3.71 lakh rupees at showroom New Delhi. All the prices which I have mentioned here are according to the ex-showroom prices New Delhi. Prices in your area may differ. These features you are getting in STD variant of Espresso: front cabin lamps, front utility space in console, bottle holder in front doors of 1 liter, rear console utility space, reclining and sliding front seats and co-driver utility space. In exterior, you are getting twin chamber headlamps, C-shaped lamps, side body claddings and digital display. In terms of safety, you are getting driver airbag, single driver airbag, ABS means anti-lock brake system, EBD means electronic brake force distribution. I will be making a detailed video about this. Seatbelt reminder, RPS, rear parking sensors, pedestrian protection, engine immobilizer and child lock. Moving forward, you are getting STD optional, which is optional variant of STD. This variant is 6,000 rupees costlier. So by spending additional 6,000 rupees, you are getting these features: driver and co-driver sun visor, passenger airbag, seat belt pretensioner and force limiter. These features are given as an optional. Above this variant there is LXI variant. It cost 4.09 lakh rupees ex showroom New Delhi. In this variant you are getting additional features. These are driver and co-driver sun visor as standard, AC with heater which you are not getting in STD or STD optional variant, power steering which you are not getting in STD and STD optional variant either. This LXI variant is petrol manual. It costs 4.09 lakh rupees. Similar variant is there in CNG. It costs 4.84 lakh rupees. Features are same, only the difference is of fuel. For this difference you are paying 4.84 lakh rupees. Now let's move forward to LXI optional variant. This optional variant is also there in petrol manual and CNG. In CNG, this optional variant cost 4.90 lakh rupees ex-showroom, New Delhi. These both variants cost 6,000 rupees more than their standard variants. So after spending 6,000 rupees more than their standard variants, you are getting two additional features. These are passenger airbag and seat belt with pre-tensioner and force limiter. These two features you are getting as an optional and only in optional variants, LXI optional or VXI optional. These features are given only in optional. Even in VXI variant you won't be getting these features. For these features you have to either go for VXI plus, in that these features are given as a standard, or you have to choose optional variant, like suppose LXI optional or VXI optional in petrol or CNG. Now let's move forward to VXI variant. This VXI variant you are getting in petrol manual, petrol automatic and in CNG. In petrol manual it costs 4.33 lakh rupees. In petrol automatic it costs 4.76 lakh rupees, and in CNG it costs 5.08 lakh rupees. In this VXI variant you are getting front accessories socket 12 volt, remote keyless entry, front power windows, smart play dock. I will be making another video about smart play dock, Bluetooth, 2 speakers, USB, aux, speed sensing auto door locks, central door locking, roof antenna, body colored bumpers. Now let's see what all features we are getting in VXI optional and VXI plus. Price of VXI plus manual transmission in petrol is 4.56 lakh rupees. VXI plus automatic in petrol is 4.99 lakh rupees, and VXI optional variant in petrol manual transmission is 4.39 lakh rupees, and VXI optional variant in petrol automatic is 4.82 lakh rupees. And the price of VXI optional variant in CNG is 5.14 lakh rupees. In CNG you are not getting VXI plus variant. Now let's talk about features which you are getting in VXI plus or VXI optional variant. These are colored center garnish, silver or orange, rear parcel tray, driver and co-driver adjustable ORVM, 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering mounted controls, passenger airbag, seat belt with force limiter, door ajar, low fuel warning, parking brake warning. All these are displayed in 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system. B-pillar blackout tape, body colored ORVMs and door handles. All these features you are getting in VXI plus or VXI option variants. So now you know what all variants are there in Maruti Suzuki Espresso, their prices and features you are getting in those variants. Now I will be telling you which is the most value for money variant. See, in base variant you are not getting any basic features such as AC, which is very important in today's life. Power steering is also very important feature. These two important features you are not getting in base variant. So going for base standard variant is pointless. Standard or standard optional, these two variants are pointless according to me. I will be suggesting you two types of variants, low budget and value for money. If you really need vehicle with basic features, you can go for low budget variant. If budget is not your concern, then you can go for value for money variant. so that you can get maximum features for the price you are paying for. In petrol manual transmission, low budget variant will be LXI variant. It costs 4.09 lakh rupees and you are getting almost basic features in this variant. And the value for money variant in petrol manual will be VXI plus variant. You will be getting maximum features in this variant. It is a top end variant. If you want to go for an automatic in petrol, low budget variant will be VXI variant. It costs 4.76 lakh rupees. You are getting an automatic transmission. You can use it as a manual transmission also when required. And you are getting Smart Play dock of Maruti. In this Smart Play dock, you can use your mobile phone as a screen of your car. You have to connect your mobile phone. There is an option given in that Smart Play dock. You have to pair your mobile. You have to connect your mobile with audio system of your car. I will show you the procedure in one video so that it will be easy for you to understand. From my experience, going for an automatic variant of this espresso will be a good idea. Why? Because in today's city traffic, it is giving good almost similar mileage to that of manual gearbox. Plus, if you want to shift gears manually, you can shift in this automatic gearbox also. So overall, it is a very good idea to go for this automatic transmission. In CNG, low budget variant is LXI. Unfortunately, it is going quite expensive. It is around 4.84 lakh rupees, and if you want value for money, then you can go for VXI optional. It is 5.14 lakh rupees. So this was our video for today of Maruti Espresso variant and features. If you like the video, please don't forget to give thumbs up. If you have any doubts, any questions, feel free to comment below and I will be very happy to answer them. Now we'll meet in another video. Till then, stay safe, wear seatbelts while driving and always be careful. Thank you so much for watching my complete video.